Today we're going to show you how to execute incline chest fly. For this exercise, you're going to need an incline bench. We want it set to 45 degrees. Not all benches are going to have numbers on them, so some you're going to have to approximate. We want to adjust the front of the bench as well up to its highest point. On this bench, it's the third pin. After you've adjusted the bench, we want to make sure that our back is never arching. So, raise your feet up, protect your lower back, keep your core nice and tight. When you do your incline chest fly, you want the weights to be coming in between your sternum and your chin. When you're doing any sort of chest fly, you want to make sure that you protect your shoulders. How we're going to do that is by imagining that we're hugging and unhugging a huge tree. You also want to make sure that your pinkies are slightly facing out and your thumbs are just slightly facing in on an angle. You can see from this side shot that my lower back is completely protected and that my elbows are always bent. The weights are coming right above my sternum, but just below my chin. So that was incline chest fly. This is a great exercise, especially to get that definition right in here, right where your collarbone ties in. A couple things you want to be aware of is making sure that your elbows are bent so that you're actually almost imagining that you're hugging a tree and then unhugging a tree. That'll really protect your rotator cuff and make sure that you're not overstretching or causing some injury. Alright, hit the like button down below if you like the video. Hit subscribe up here, that way you get notified when more videos get posted up. Thanks for watching, guys.